Hey everyone, it's James of geometriccharts.com. October 8th, about 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. So here we are, continuing. Like we started drifting lower into the weekend, and now we're getting that pop. A pop I started to look for. Again, I knew like over the weekend, I was talking to my subs about it, that the way this trickle down looked, not only in Bitcoin, but the rest of the market looked like it was leading up to a pop, and it did. And of course the long trade was there and still is. But the point of the matter is that I still think Bitcoin is going to trek higher, but I do not see it lasting in this market at all. I feel like we're kind of going through this repetitive nature in Bitcoin, and I feel like every pump up is turning into a dump. And until I start to see some significant volume come into this market and actually stay in this market, I'm going to assume the worst in this market, which of course puts me in that bear category. So short term, we probably have a little more upside. I think there's a possibility we break through this zone here, potentially getting somewhere 69, 7,000. Right around that range. But then from there, I do think we start to drop off a cliff in Bitcoin. The question is, do we break the uptrend lines or do we not? We already started to break through the downtrend line. I feel like I've seen this so many times in Bitcoin to where it breaks the downtrend line, everyone gets hyped up, everyone's like, that's it, the run is ready, Bitcoin's launching to the moon, blah, blah, blah. And it just ends in disaster each and every time. So like I said in my prior videos, I'm still going to remain bearish on the bigger picture for Bitcoin. I do think we have lower to track. Where we land, I don't know. We're going to have to see what unfolds this week. But I do think this week, more than likely, will be the revealing week for Bitcoin to say whether we're going to continue to trek higher and start to build off of this price structure, this momentum, and actually start to continuously make higher highs or higher lows, or are we going to build up this hollow run like I think we're doing and then drop off a cliff, smashing back down into the low 6,000 range and potentially even using that range as like a speed boost to bust through 5750. So right now the analysis just on a real just real cut and dry, I still think we're going to chop upward, but I believe the move is hollow, and I do think Bitcoin has a date with a lower price in the near future, probably like within a week or two, depending on how everything starts to pan out. So hopefully everyone likes the video, likes the content. Really short video, not much else has changed over the weekend, from Friday to now. So again, that's what I'm looking for. If we do start to drop off a cliff, between here and Wednesday, then I do think that's going to be the real deal, and price has significantly further to drop before we really do start to find this bottom. But that's it for today. So the next video will be Wednesday, and then after that, Friday. If you do like the video, you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe, follow. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your support. And until then, have a great day or great night, depending on where you are in the world.